What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we will take a look into the Xrp price chart and also into the Stellar price chart, because these two coins are very correlated, and we will take a look at interesting levels, at possible next entry points, and of course I will tell you what I'm gonna do. But before we are getting started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are brand new, and of course the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. There you get access to all my portfolio and trading updates live and in real time. Also there you get access to my Discord community, where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's get straight into the Xrp price chart. As you can see, in the last couple of days Xrp was very volatile, especially today. Today was the day with the most price action. First we got up to 75 cents, then all the way back down to 36 cents. Currently we are sitting at 40 cents. And right now is of course the question, what can we do and what most likely will happen next? And to give you this answer, first I have to explain two other things to you so that you understand this point. And the first thing is about the general trend. And this right here is the buyer index. Maybe some of you will know that. If you are watching my videos, then you know that this is a self-developed indicator, and that is showing us how many buyers are in the market right now. Of course, if there are too many buyers in the market, then this is a bad sign. That means nobody can buy anymore, the price can't go up, and that gives us the conclusion that very likely a bigger correction is right in front of us. And the opposite, if there are very few buyers in the market, then of course this is a positive sign, and this right here is a long-term indicator, and that is showing us where we are in the trend right now. And as you can see, right now we are here where the red line is, and you can see that there is lots of more space to grow right here in the crypto market in general in the long term. So that is the first point that we have to see. So the long-term trend, this is showing us that very likely we are in the beginning stage, and that there is much more space to grow and more growth will follow. And the second one is that maybe you saw this in my last videos, that I'm expecting, or that I was expecting and still expecting, a continuation of this consolidation stage right here. These blue candles right here, this is an indication, and we took this back from 2016. That was the last time we hit, or we broke the all-time high, and then also did similar things to what we are doing right now. So then broke the all-time high, retest the all-time high, and then going into some pullback sideways. And this right here is of course the liquidation move that I'm also expecting, and that is that are the blue candles that you can see right here. So in the short to medium time frame, I'm expecting a continuation of this consolidation stage. That is just the point. And now we can go back into the Xrp price chart. And let's go into first into a smaller time frame, because right now we can see, okay, Xrp is moving a little bit up right now, and we can see this. It was one massive candle right here. From it opens at 57 cents and got down to 40 cents. So 17 cents in 15 minutes. So in one candle in Xrp, that is pretty much. And right now we are going a little bit up right now, and now is of course the question if this is a good time to buy. And now we have the picture from the general trend. So in the general trend, you saw from the buyer index, so from this picture right here, you saw that there is much more space to grow, what very likely will happen. Then you got also my short to medium term analysis that we will have a continuation of this consolidation stage, and now we can take a look into interesting price levels in XRP. And first we are switching into the daily chart, because in the daily chart we can see some interesting levels. First, right here, you can see this at 32.8 cents. You can see we have one touching point, two touching points, three touching points, and also here we also have lots of candle closes right on this level right here at 32 cents. And then we can also take a look into the Fibonacci retracement level, and there we can also see that here the Fibonacci retracement level is always interesting between the 61.8 and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and that is a zone where we are already in today, and the zone starts at 39 cents and is going down to the 30-cent level. So that is a interesting zone right here, and in this zone we have all our price targets. So the first price target that I was showing you is this right here, the 32.8 I think it was cents. Then of course we have the psychological 30-cent mark, which is also the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And then there is another point, and that is if we are going into the weekly chart. As I told you in my last videos, I'm also expecting a bigger correction in Bitcoin, and you can see in Bitcoin here that is the 21 weekly moving average, and it is very likely that because we are not in the end stage of this bull market, that we will come close to this 21 weekly moving average before we are having the next big leg up. And I can also prove this here on historical data, because you can see here in the beginning it always came back down to the 21 weekly moving average when it got too far away. So right here, right here, right here, and not right here, but this one is the final stage of the market. So after this we are going parabolic the last months, and then after this, so after this parabolic run, yeah, you know what happened. The Bitcoin got down back to 3K, and that is just this. And if we are looking into the XRP price chart, we can see that the 21 weekly moving average is not that far away, because Ripple didn't performing as well as, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum in this current run since March. And that is why the 21 weekly moving average is not that far away, and that gives me the conclusion that very likely we will not correct that much in XRP than maybe in other cryptos that are pretty far away from this 21 weekly moving average. In Ethereum, for example, you can see here 21 weekly moving average is at 700. Right now we are sitting at 1336, so that is still a way to go. And in XRP we didn't have this. So let's just draw our line right here in the chart, so we can see where our interesting levels are. And that is of course first the touching point with the 21 weekly moving average. That would be right now at around 35 cents. Then let's go back into the daily chart. In the daily chart, of course, we have this levels right here. That was the 33.9 cents. And of course also we got the psychological mark and also the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and that would be the 30-cent mark. So that here are for me 3 interesting points to watch. Also here, we came very close to the first point today, but hopefully for me, because I want to buy more XRP, hopefully when this expected dip right here that I showed you right here, when this happens, then hopefully we will touch one of these marks right here, and where exactly I will place my pending order, that I will post on my Patreon account. So there you can find it live and in real time, because my analysis is not only based on technical analysis, I will also go into other kind of analysis, and when I have my exact price target, then I will post it right on Patreon, so there you can find it. And that's it for the XRP price chart. Now let's also take a look into the Stellar price chart. Here we have something similar. We can see that Stellar is not that volatile like XRP right now, but Stellar is also, on the other hand, it is more stable than XRP right now. But if we take a look into Stellar, we can see here that we have pretty much touching points here at the 20-cent level. You can take a look at this right here, this one right here, right here, right here at the 20-cent level. And then also, if we take a look into the weekly chart, we can see in Stellar it is the other way, like in XRP. In Stellar, the 21 weekly moving average is a little bit more away than in the XRP price chart. And that means when this next correction will happen, then we can expect Stellar to correct more than XRP. So that would be very likely for me. And you can see right here, right now, the 21 weekly moving average is at 15.7 cents. The price right now is at 32.5 cents in Stellar. And I have also done the calculation right here, so we can calculate how much the line is rising per week, and we can then expect that we will hit or would hit this price level of 20 cents right here at the end of February till the beginning of March. So that is also what is expected in Bitcoin and also Ethereum, and that would be also right here at around 20 cents. So in Stellar, this 20 cent mark right here is very, very interesting for me. And also here I will place my pending positions, maybe not exactly at 20 cents, because I have to do a calculation if it is likely that we will shortly dip below the 20 cent mark, or if we are not touching it exactly. But as soon as I did my calculation on that, I will also post this on Patreon, and all the other cryptos that I'm planning to buy with all entry prices and entry points, I will also post on Patreon. So definitely make sure to check that out. It is the first link in the video description. But in general, we can say that Stellar is, of course, has performed better than XRP, and that is the reason why the 21 weekly moving average is more far away than in XRP, and we can also expect a bigger correction in Stellar than in XRP. And the interesting level to watch in Stellar is at the 20 cent level. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any future updates. And of course, if you have any questions, and also if you have another opinion, feel free to write them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.